Naurin, read the answer.
0 0 double 1 double 0 double 1.
0 0 double 1.
Yes.
0 0 double 1 0 double 1 0 point 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Jeez, this is your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vinayak, what about your answer?
0 double 1 double 0 double 1 0.
Once again, Vinayak.
0
Okay.
double 1
Okay.
double 0.
Again double 0.
Yes.
0 double 1 again double 0. Then
Double 1
double 1
0
0
point
point.
and then it is the same.
Balance is same.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I also got same answer.
Okay. Amman,
Yes, ma'am.
what about your answer?
Same, ma'am. Second one.
This one.
Yes, yes.
This one. Okay. So we can do that one. Reem. Read the question, Reem.
Yes, ma'am. 5102.301 raised to 8 raised to 16.
It's not that question. The same question, 142, something like that.
146.
Actually, I have written the
Okay,
homework.
okay. 146.
Questions, so I cannot find that.
Okay. 146. Point, Jewel?
0.61.
0.61.
0.61.
061. Okay, okay, okay. So 146.061 is the question. That is based on octal number, and we have to convert it into which one? That is hexadecimal. No, it's to binary. This is the question, isn't it? Okay. Jewel, first what we have to do for this conversion? Jewel?
Yes, ma'am. We should
Okay.
divide it by 3 segments.
This is octal to binary.
Binary.
Okay. So, how is the division? Is it correct, Rahul?
Yes.
How we can convert octal to binary?
Each number we should take it from binary table, that table.
Octal to binary. Use
3-bit table.
3-bit table. Okay. Is it correct, Jewel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, for octal to binary representation, first I will use 3-bit table. 3-bit table, how we can represent 3-bit table, Rahul?
Ma'am,
Pooja? That is 0 1 0. Okay, Rahul. 0 1 0 1. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then next it is 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay. Then it is 4 0 4 1. Then what is 1? 1 it is 0 0 1. What about 4? 4 it is 1 0 0. 6 it is 1 1 0. Point 0 it is 0 0 0. 6 it is again 1 1 0. What is 1? 1 it is 0 0 1. Jewel, what happened to your answer?
I just missed one in between them.
Okay. That is the problem that we are causing in this binary representation. Okay, just one or zero is missing. Your answer is completely wrong. So this chapter is very easy, but you want to give more care about the calculation. Okay. If a zero is missing, or if one zero instead of zero, instead of one, if I write zero, the total answer is wrong. Okay. If it's a 2-mark question, it will completely wrong. Okay. Today I will correct your paper and send it today or tomorrow. Okay. So, any more homework question is there? No.
One more is there, ma'am.
Okay. Read the question, Navneet.
5102.
1 second. 51
5102.301.
301 to the base
This
16.
octal to hexadecimal.
Octal to hexadecimal. Okay, read the answer, Navneet.
A42.60.
A. This we were already discussed. A 42.608.
608.
Okay. So entrance students, leave 2 or 3 pages. Okay. Only 3 entrance students are there. Renil, read the answer.
Ma'am, I'm not able to get the answer.
Okay. Tom, completed.
1100
1100 100. Pooja, is it correct? Read the answer. 1100 100. Vinayak, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other answers? No. Okay. So write the next question. One zero 1.0111 plus 111.1011. 101.0111 and 111.1011. If it is fractional number, no problem, you just add, just like our normal binary number. If it is 10 is there, you just add like this, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, carry is there, you take the carry, the next digit, just like that. Okay. Completed. Renil, I will explain, okay? Alan, read the answer.
1101.0010.
And Aga, read the answer.
1101.0010.
Okay, 1101.0010 is the answer. Okay. Renil, this is the question. 101.0111 plus 111.1011. Here 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, 1 plus 1 in that table, 0 is the result and 1 carry is there. Carry is 1. Is it clear, Renil? Okay. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. So 1 plus 1, the result is 0, 1 carry is there, place the carry here. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 1 1. So write this 1 as result and this 1 as carry. Okay. So place the carry here. Then 1 plus 1, it is again 0 with a carry 1. Then again 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, it is 0 with a carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Then what is 1 plus 1 plus 1? It is 1 1. So place 1 here, 1 carry here. Then again 1 plus 1, it is 0 with a carry 1. 3 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 1 1. Write 1 1 here. Okay. You do all the problem. If any doubt, you contact me. Okay. So this is the result. Okay. So that is binary addition. Do one homework question. Write the homework question. Double 1 0 1 0 1 plus double 1 double 1 double 0. Okay. So our next topic is Boolean logic.
Take the homework question.
John Philip, read the homework question.
110101 plus double 111 double 0.
Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So next heading, it is Boolean logic. What is Boolean or bool? Boolean value. What is Boolean value? Boolean or bool means binary representation. That is 0 or 1. That is known as Boolean values. Okay. So our next topic is dealing only with this binary values 0 and 1.
Can you say homework question again?
Okay. I will just write one number. That's why I don't know the question. Niranjan, please read the homework question.
Ma'am, it's 11010101
Double 1
0101
0 1 0 1
plus double 111 double 0.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that It is based on Boolean values. Boolean values means yes or no is considered as Boolean value, true or false is considered as Boolean value, 0 or 1 is considered as Boolean value. Okay, that is Boolean representation. So we are dealing with this Boolean values. Okay, Boolean expression, Boolean variable, Boolean constant, Boolean operators, just like that. Okay, I will just write one expression, x plus y plus 1. This is one Boolean expression. Here x and y are known as Boolean variable. This is one Boolean expression. Here we are using Boolean variables, it is Boolean operators. It is not arithmetic operator plus, it is Boolean operator. This is Boolean constant. Just like a constant value. This is x and y. We can either give 0 to x or we can give 1 to x. That is variable. Variable means varying. The value we can change. That is variable. Okay. So x and y are Boolean variables. X and y, instead of x and y we can give a and b, or we can give w and z. Any alphabets we can give like variable, Boolean variables. Okay, the thing is that we can give only Boolean values for these variables. That is, we can give either we can give 0 or we can give 1. That is Boolean variables. This is one Boolean expression. In this Boolean expression we are using Boolean variables, Boolean operators and Boolean constants. Constant means it is a constant value. If it is 1, it is 1 itself. There are only two constant value, 1 and 0. In the case of Boolean expression. Okay. So a Boolean expression means it include Boolean variables, it's a combination of, Boolean expression means it's a combination of Boolean variables, Boolean operators and Boolean constants. This is one example for Boolean expression. X plus y plus 1 is an example for Boolean expression. In this, x and y are Boolean variables. We can give any value, means here we are using only two values, 0 and 1. We can give 0 to x, or we can give 1 to x. We can give 0 to y, or we can give 1 to y. That means x and y are variables. We can change the content. That is variable. Okay. Then 1 is a constant value. We cannot change. It's a constant value. If you write 1, that means it is 1 itself. We cannot change it as 0. We can change it as 0. After erasing, we can write 0. It's not changing. It is another constant. 0 is another constant. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So we are just discussing about what is Boolean expression. Boolean expression means it's a combination of Boolean variable, Boolean operators and Boolean constants. Boolean variable, example for Boolean expression, it is x plus y plus 0 or x plus y plus 1. Here plus is the Boolean operator, x and y are Boolean variables and 0 is the Boolean constant. Okay. So next we are discussing about Boolean operators. This is just an introduction. Boolean operators. There are mainly three Boolean operators. First we will discuss about AND operator. It is represented using dot, or we can represent it using this symbol. AND operator, it is represented using, either we can represent using dot symbol or with this arrow symbol, up arrow symbol. Okay, this AND is a binary operator. AND is a binary operator. Do you have heard about the word binary operator? Binary addition, binary number, that is related with our topic. Operator. Okay, what is binary operator in maths? Jewel, any idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay, anyone? No. Navneet, Pooja, Naga, switch on the video. Okay, in operators there are mainly two operators. First one, it is binary. Second one, it is unary. Ternary is also there, but we will consider only unary, binary and unary. Now we can just consider our normal addition, normal arithmetic operation. Okay, after that we can go to this binary operator in Boolean operator. Okay, so binary operator means one operator, when one operator use two operands, minimum two operands, that operator is known as binary operator. The operator, if it is used, if that operator use two operands, what is operand? 8 plus 2. Here plus is the operator. Okay, this plus will work only with two values. Minimum two value is needed. Maximum any number of value we can use, but minimum two value is needed for this plus operation. Is it correct? Isn't it? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 8 plus 2, you just respond, otherwise I can't continue with this topic. Okay, so 8 plus 2, that is 10. So for this plus operator we need minimum two operands. So this plus operator is known as binary operator. Binary means 2. Okay, so the operators that need minimum two operands, these are known as operands. 8 and 2 is known as operands. Okay, so this plus need minimum two operands for its addition operation. So this plus operator is known as binary operator. Okay, minus is another binary operator. Why? We need minimum two operands for minus operation. Subtraction operation, we need minimum two operands. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, so 8 minus 2, minus is another binary operator. What about division? Division is also another binary operator. Multiplication is another binary operator, because for multiplication we need minimum two operands. Maximum we can use 3, 4, 5, any number we can use. Minimum it need two operands. That type of operators are known as binary operator. Is it clear? Okay, so then what is unary? What is the word meaning of unary? One operand. Unary means, the unary operator means the operator that need one operand. Give one example for unary operator. It's not clear.
Increment and
Increment, decrement operators. Plus plus. I'll give another example. Plus plus is the increment operator. Plus plus a means a is incremented by 1. A is incremented, the value of a become, it is incremented by 1, that is plus plus a. And another one is the minus minus a. It is just for decrementing the value. For decrementing we need only one operand. Here we are using only one operand, a. I will give another example. If I want to represent a negative number, okay, I will use unary minus. Unary minus is another operand. unary operator. This is not binary minus, it is unary minus. The name of this minus operator, it is unary minus, that is minus 10. If you want to represent a negative number, we are using this unary minus. For that purpose we need only one operand. So unary minus is a unary operator. Is it clear, Reem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then another one is unary plus for representing positive numbers. So for positive number representation we need only, it's time, only one operand, that is unary operand operator. Then plus plus 10, it is increment operator, means 10 is incremented by 1, that is it use only one operand. Plus plus is the operator, 10 is the operand, the value it is 11, it is 1 is incremented, it is another unary operator. Then minus minus 10, this is the operator, decrement operator, this is the operand, it need only one operand, the result it is 9, it is decremented by 1, it is 9. So these are the unary operators. So we are discussing about operators. Two types of operators are there, binary operator and unary operator. Binary operator means the operator that use minimum 2 operands, that is binary operator. Then unary operator means operator that use minimum 1 operand, only one operand, operator that use only one operand, it is known as unary operator. So we will continue in the next class. Joel is present.